Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the account type and any disk encryption. This matters because local accounts and cloud accounts reset differently. Once done, make sure you have a second device to receive codes and your recovery email or phone accessible. If BitLocker or File Vault is active, pause, decrypt, or have the recovery key handy so you don't lose data. Now power on the laptop and proceed to the OS-specific recovery path described next. This starts the actual reset process. You'll now use the built-in recovery tools to actually change the password. For Windows, click the lock screen reset link or boot to Advanced Startup and select Reset this PC or use a previously created recovery drive. Microsoft accounts accept a code. For Mac OS, boot to recovery with Command-R and use the Reset Password utility or authenticate with Apple ID. On Linux, boot a live USB, mount the root partition, root and run password to set a new password. Proceed after confirming prompt. Finish by rebooting and signing in with the new credentials. You should immediately verify access to email, cloud sync, and critical files so any issues show up now. If you paused encryption, make sure to re-enable BitLocker or File Vault and store the recovery key in a safe place. If sign-in fails, try safe mode or boot from recovery media and repeat the reset, or use the provider's account recovery flow. If encryption blocks recovery, the recovery key is the single most important fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.